After received machine, please make sure you have received all the components. Now we are going to assemble the machine. The first component is the emergency handpiece. When pressed this button, it will shut off the machine immediately. Connect the cable to the underneath of handpiece holder. Make sure the gap aligned with each other. The next component is the cable connector. There's no straight restriction about which port should go into which connector. But we need to make sure the red dot align with each other. Connect the power cord to the machine. This is the emergency button. It will cut off power when press this in. If this is the first time you turn on the machine, please rotate to release. Then use the key to turn on the machine. Tap on the screen to enter the home page. The default password is 0 for 6 times. Tap the gear icon to enter the setting page. Select for different languages. Here is the notification sound. And also we can control the LED light. Type here to return to the home page. Choose the gender of your client and also the age group. Enter next page. On the left side, choose the treatment area to activate each patch. On the right side of the screen, set the working mode. Parameters of the radio frequency and also EMS. Usually start with 50% radio frequency and 50% of EMS. The default treatment duration is 20 minutes. Right here we can choose the working mode. The first one M1 refers the mode 1, which is the default mode of treatment. And M2 will be the stronger mode. M3 is the mild working mode. Connect the patch to the connector. There is an icon on the connector, which means the patch is compatible. Give the emergency handpiece to your client. Now we can apply the patch to the target area. Remove the plastic layer. Put the patch on treatment area. Adjust the parameters for each patch. Then start one by one on the screen. Here is another 2 connector for jawline patch and neck patch. If you are going to perform that treatment, remove any 2 cables from the machine, and connect this too. Tap here, switch to second page, adjust the settings for each half of the patch. Start the treatment. Same for the neck patch.